Leah and I found this on our walk today. A cicada coming. Just came out of its shell. Well, I don't know if it just did, but...
Maybe it did tonight.
Fairly recently.
Wow.
And we thought he was dead, but now he started moving finally. And there's all kinds, this is like the cicada tree. There's all kinds of cicada shells all over this tree. Especially right there. See all those shells? Anyway, what's he doing?
Just stand there.
Just sitting there still?
Yeah.
Oh.
I have to go pee.
Shh. I'm videotaping. You don't want to say that on camera. We'll ride your bike home. We'll get going, okay? Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Cicada. She blew it a kiss.